Hi, I'm Beth Kingston, here with a few quick tips on how to get the most out of your Xyron Mega Runner. When you're using your Mega Runner to apply adhesive, if you're rolling it and you find that you don't have quite a full line of adhesive, try rolling your wrist back in the other direction. I'll show it going the opposite way as well. Just roll it back so it's flat on the paper, and that'll give you a nice full line. If you go a little bit more slowly, you have a chance to check out where your adhesive is going. Another tip is if you need to tighten your refill, you simply take it out, hold this end tightly, and turn the handle, turn the little knob. That'll go ahead and tighten the adhesive roll, and you can insert it right back into your machine, close the handle, and you're back in business. One last tip, when you're rolling it across the paper, as you get ready to lift up, tilt it back, and that'll make sure it's ready to go for the next strip of adhesive you want to set down. Just roll it back. For more information about Xyron products, come check us out at Xyron.com.